Hey guys, how you doing? Greg Fox here with Fox Family Heating and Air Conditioning, and today we're talking about something you probably don't want to really address, but we have to: AC repair. Well, it's another typical Sacramento Valley hot summer day. It's 105 degrees outside, which is normally just fine because most people just choose to stay inside and not bother going out to run any errands. Some people have medical problems to deal with and they know that they can't go outside at all in this kind of weather. As long as your AC is working, everything is fine, right? What do you do and how do you know if your air conditioner is working properly or if you need to repair your AC unit? One of the most common complaints I get as an air conditioning contractor in Sacramento is my AC is not running, or I can feel air coming through the registers, but it's not cold air. When I hear this, I usually start at the thermostat and determine whether it's set in the proper mode or cool. Next, I head out to the outdoor unit or the condenser to see if it's running or not. If it's not running, then I know that there's something going on with the AC outside, and that's where I focus my attention to first. A lot of times the contactor or the capacitor has gone bad and that might need to be changed. I would say that 85% of my calls in the beginning of summer are due to a bad capacitor. If your capacitor or contactor are damaged, the AC will need to be repaired by either you or a local certified HVAC technician like Fox Family Heating and Air Conditioning. I must stress though, if you're going to do this repair yourself, there are serious problems that can happen if you don't make the repair correctly. There's high voltage running through the system with other very expensive parts that can be damaged. When the thermostat asks for cooling during the summertime, a low voltage signal is sent to the outdoor unit, which is the integral piece of equipment giving you cool air. However, a great amount of energy is rushed from your electrical panel on the side of the house and on through to your outdoor AC unit. This causes an enormous amount of damaging heat and energy to pass through the components in your AC unit outside. This damaging heat can cause the parts in your AC to fail or wear out so much that they don't operate to factory standards anymore. Over time, your AC will need parts like a capacitor or a contactor, maybe a condenser fan motor or a compressor to be replaced on the unit. Fox Family Heating and Air Conditioning has a thorough process to evaluate your AC repair needs. We start at the most likely source of the problem, in this case, the outdoor unit, and start by visually checking for anything that looks abnormal. We're looking for burning or black marks inside the control panel, burnt or charred wiring, loose wires, maybe a capacitor that's obviously blown. If we see everything inside the control panel looks fine, then we listen for any noises or humming that might be coming from the system. If the system still isn't running, we'll use our meters and gauges to determine any more technical issues that might be going on with your AC. This brings us to check the voltage readings at the contactor, capacitors, condenser fan motor, and the compressor, which is the heart of your AC system. Most likely your AC repair will end up being something minor like a capacitor or contactor, and we can get you up and running very quickly. If it's another air conditioning repair like a condenser fan motor, it might take a couple hours to get you cooling again, depending on the skill level of your technician and whether they have a matching fan motor on their service truck. If your repair is a bad compressor, a new one will need to be ordered and picked up. Your technician may be able to do the repair the same day, but this 3 to 6 hour repair may need to be scheduled for the following day, so don't be surprised if that happens. Most systems have universal parts that can replace the same part on many different brands that might be installed in your house. Some parts have to be ordered with the exact manufacturer though. I've even had to tell a customer that they might have to wait 7 to 10 days for the part to be mailed to us before we can schedule an appointment to come out there and actually make the repair on their air conditioner. Most of the time when we make a repair on someone's AC system, it's just one thing that needs to be fixed. Even though the system is up and running again, Fox Family Heating and Air Conditioning will make a complete diagnosis of your system and determine if there are any other items on your HVAC system that need attention. The last thing you want is for us to have to come back out in a month because another part was on its way out the first time we were out there, right? So we always try to take a look at any other parts in your AC system that could make your system last longer, run more efficient, or be safer for you and your family. We won't try to sell you something you don't need. At Fox Family Heating and Air, we think of you as part of our family. And we are trained that if we wouldn't suggest something to our mother or grandmother's AC system, we won't suggest it to you or your family members. If we do find something that could be added to your system or another part that's below factory standards, we'll let you know about it. If you decide not to make the repair, it's not a problem. At least we've let you know about it if you didn't know about it already. Maybe sometime in the future you'll decide to make the repair or upgrade. You may be told by a company that you need to replace your air conditioning unit, but that decision should be totally yours and not the repairman's decision. If your AC needs to be repaired and the parts and labor to repair it are so much that you don't think it's a good idea to keep your old air conditioner, maybe because it's 15 or 20 years old, then I can see a valid reason for you wanting to put your money into the future and upgrading to a newer, more efficient HVAC system rather than to keep putting money into your old, noisy air conditioner. But that decision needs to be yours and not some pushy salesperson trying to make their commission. If you feel like your AC system needs repair, please feel free to give us a call at 916-877-1577 here in the Sacramento Valley. We would love to help you out in any way. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.